I usually get up at like 5:30 and then I go surfing before school.
Hello! Like, we have a group chat and we'll text in and be like, oh, everyone go before school, and then we'll go after school as well most days, and we'll just share lifts and stuff.
5:30 in the morning for surfing. That's some dedication. But that's what it takes.
Just surf after school, go out straight away, and then come home, study, sleep, repeat.
Finding balance between what pulls you to the water and what keeps you on land. That's the challenge behind every surfer's journey. Some days are harder than others. With the junior tour approaching, preparation intensifies. Every session now carries added purpose.
We do a lot of heats kind of just out in the water with each other, kind of to get ready.
The heats will only be 20 minutes long, and your best 2 waves count.
So it's all about just getting the good wave of the heat.
Training is about learning to read the ocean. We need to know what it's at to make smart choices and perform when the clock is running. 20 minutes goes by fast when you're hunting for the perfect wave.
I started the junior surf tour when I was about like 9 or 10, but I only kind of started taking it seriously like last year. I need to push myself to go out in bigger waves. Just like catch more waves when I'm out there to like improve faster.
Competition is about performing when it matters, finding the right waves and making the right decisions under pressure. So no pressure, right?
I love competing. I think it's so fun. It's a lot different to free surfing.
And when the competition heats up, that's when you really see who's who in Irish surfing.
There's probably 3 main clubs, Tramore, Clare and Sligo, so a bit of rivalry, yeah.
The rivalries are well established.
The biggest challenge is probably Hazel and Freya.
I usually want to win quite a lot at a time, and I have won quite a few competitions, and it's kind of motivated me more.
My biggest competitors are probably Maria and Ruby, but they're both really nice girls, and I get on with them really well, which is the most difficult part, because, sorry. Yeah, like I'd want to win. I definitely want to win.
There's been a bit of rivalry between me and Pork in the past. I'd like to beat Josh this year. I've never beaten him.
No one's my competitor. Now, I have a few friends, so it'll be fun. I want to see how they do, and I want to see them get some good results so we can go to Portugal together. Compete against all the other countries. It'll be super fun.
It's tough when your rivals are also your friends, but that's just how it is. As the season draws closer, questions hang in the salt air. Who will rise to the occasion? Who will falter? And who will earn their place on the international stage?